Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Gibs Brush Art. Today we're going to draw and colour a delicious stick ice cream using vibrant colours, red and green. So grab your pencils and colours and let's get started.
Gibs Brush Art.
First, let's sketch the shape of our ice cream. Now let's draw the stick. Below the scoop, add a rectangle shape for the ice cream stick. Make sure it's wider at the bottom and tapers slightly towards the top. Start by drawing a tall curved triangle for the ice cream scoop on top. This will give it that classic ice cream look. Great job! Now that we have our outline, it's time to colour. Apply the green evenly and don't forget to colour the edges for a neat finish. Almost done. If you want, you can add some fun details like sprinkles or a cherry on top. Just use your imagination. And there you have it. Let's start with the red colour. Grab your red marker. Colour the scoop with vibrant red. Make sure to fill it in smoothly and go over any areas that need a little more colour. This red will make our ice cream look extra yummy. And there you have it. A colourful stick ice cream in red and green. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own ice cream creations in the comments below.